friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here for you a very interesting remedy that is looking younger, 10 years younger, your skin. The remedy is very simple as you think. The ingredients which are required for this remedy is baking soda, olive oil. First of all, we take half spoon of baking soda and half spoon of olive oil. Now mix both the ingredients. Viewers, this is a fine paste. You can apply it onto your skin in night time, and you can wash your face in the morning with lukewarm warm water. By using this remedy, your skin is looking very younger. You can apply it daily at night. You can use it minimum 15 days for better results. Dear viewers, if you like my video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you have any query, please comment me in comment section. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.